Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. Let's go to the daily chart, and this is Nifty on a daily time frame, and as you can see, we had drawn a specific level and said that if Nifty invalidates this level, then the bearish trend is overridden. So that's what actually happened today. So let's go and delete all our analysis and start afresh. Starting with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty is neither bullish nor bearish. That means I do not have a bias on Nifty on a monthly time frame. Why is it so? Because ideally, for a bullish bias, this base that was created should have been protected, but this one candle invalidated that, and that invalidated the bullish bias, and now we need a lower high to form for a bearish bias or a higher low to form for a bullish bias. So it would take 3 or 4 or 5 months for these to play out. Now this is going to be not sure for a long time. At least that's what I feel. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because this high is lower than the previous high, so lower highs is bearish. Not marking them any important levels. I'm just keeping it there. Moving over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, let me just take these retracement levels out. Not important. Yeah. So the on a daily time frame, Nifty. So let's do a proper analysis. You see this high and then this high. So it's a lower high. This was a lower high, and ideally this high should have been protected for a bearish bias to sustain. But look at this. Not because there's a close above it, even a wick above it would have given the same results. This high is invalidated, and therefore on a daily time frame, the bias is not sure. Is there an important level that I am looking at? There was a fair value gap here. Nifty has stung into that fair value gap. So now we just wait for Nifty to play its game and then make stories out of it. Right now, nothing. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame also, this high should have been protected. That was invalidated. So here too, it has become not sure. Going over to the hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, this is where things get interesting. Nifty has become bullish on an hourly time frame. This is a low and this is a higher low. So higher low implies bullish, and I had already done that. I changed it in the on intraday, like while I was trading. So Nifty has become bullish on an hourly time frame. So now, assuming Nifty is going up, where is the next target? So next target could very well be an hourly time frame. There is a fair value gap here. Let me mark it in green. Let me mark it, keep it in red. Sorry, it's a bearish fair value gap. So Nifty could sting here, or Nifty could sting into the top of this, the bottom of this, or the top of this. So that's one level, and there's a flat top here. This flat top could prove to be an important level. That's a flat top inside a fair value gap. So that's confluence of two important levels, and that could be That could prove to have a huge liquidity. Then the most important level on an hourly time frame would be this one, 23,465 would be the most important level. We could look for a reversal from there. Now, let me just, for curiosity's sake, switch to the um, daily time frame. And yes, it's a daily swing high too, 23,465. Yes, so the first stop could be 23,000, 2350. So 23,000 round figure. 23,185 is 86 is what I have marked up here. So somewhere around 23,200, and next is 23,500. So these are the important stops that we have marked. Let us see, and I hope there's not many very bad news that come out of Iran. The market is sort of factoring the war in Iran and normalizing it. It's just like the market had normalized. They took a beating on the first days of the Russia-Ukraine war, and now it's normalized. So war has become a new normal. So the Iran war is also sort of becoming the new normal for the market. Let us see. This could prove for value investors. This could prove good hunting ground. Look for stocks that are um, being bought up at uh, um, at large volumes at this level, and then maybe take positions. Well, that's all from my side today. I'm not a certified analyst, and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.